In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate your webcam in Zoom, a handy feature that can make sure your video feed is always just the way you want it. Whether you've set up your webcam in a new spot or simply want to adjust the angle, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. So let's get started. First things first, open up Zoom on your computer. It's the essential first step to making any changes to your video settings. Once you've got Zoom up and running, you'll need to be in a meeting to access the video settings. You can join an existing meeting or, if you prefer, start a test meeting on your own. Starting a test meeting is often a great way to familiarize yourself with the settings without the pressure of other participants waiting on you. Now, with your meeting up, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. There, you'll see the video icon. Next to it is a small up arrow. That's where we're headed. Click on that up arrow. This will open a list of video options, and from there, you'll want to select Video Settings. This action will lead you to a new window with a variety of video choices to customize your meeting experience. Once you're in the video settings window, locate your camera settings. At the top, you'll see several options related to your camera's orientation. Look for the rotate icon. This icon is your tool for adjusting the webcam's angle. Click on it to rotate your camera. Zoom allows you to rotate your feed in 90-degree increments, so simply click until your video is positioned just right. This feature is incredibly useful if you've mounted your webcam in an unconventional spot or if you're using a built-in camera on a laptop that's been set up differently. After you've found the perfect angle, there's no need to worry about saving changes. Zoom is designed to update your settings automatically, meaning as soon as you make your adjustments, they're applied to your video feed in real time. All that's left for you to do is close the settings window. With a click of close, you can return to your meeting with confidence, knowing that your video is aligned and ready for action. There you have it. A quick and easy guide to rotating your webcam in Zoom. It's a simple trick that can make a big difference in how you appear on camera, perfect for ensuring you always have a professional and polished video feed, no matter where your camera is placed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you achieve the perfect angle for your next Zoom meeting.